if this wire was previously pulled down through draw plates, it's going to have one end sharpened, yeah? That's a bit of waste metal, so put that end in the vise. If you've got any jaws, like you use for pulling wire, something delicate like this bit of wire, it's not essential. I've just got these kind of pliers with teeth on. Bend it right down at the top, grip that on the end, and I just kind of hold it tight, just kind of lean back on it. See that? It goes straight, yeah, and you can literally see it and feel it stretch. As soon as you've got that kind of stretch sensation, it's perfectly straight. It works on square wire, round wire, I guess any kind of gauge wire it'll work on. It's just, obviously the thicker it is, more strength it's going to take to pull, and the tighter it'll have to be in the vise. Hello, have it back please. Thank you. So yeah, got your little hooky end, straight bit of wire.